Hey guys, I'm Chris, the founder of RinseKit. Thank you so much for purchasing our new RinseKit Pro Pack. Today we're going to do a quick little tutorial video on how to use it. Okay, so to fill your Pro Pack, basically you just open up the top right here, unscrew the cap to the water tank, and you can pour hot or cold water right inside the tank right there. Then when you put the cap back on, make sure you tighten it down nice and snug so you don't get any leaks. Come to the front, press the power button, and you're ready to go. So once you fill it up, make sure you pick it up by these two handles when it's full of water. Do not lift it by these handles on the side because the water is too heavy for these handles to hold the weight. These handles are designed for more of a sliding action. When it's in the back of your vehicle, you can move it around. So when you get your Pro Pack, it's going to come with a little tube of zipper lube. These are waterproof zippers, so they're pretty stiff. And what you're going to do is put a little lube in front of the zipper and kind of along the zipper, and that'll make it a lot easier to pull it. So when you're filling your Pro Pack, sometimes it's easy to get a little bit of water around the cap over here. The best thing to do is to tip the unit on its side and let that water drain out. And then if you do get water inside the tank area right here, I tend to leave mine open to let it kind of air out. Sometimes the nozzle will drip a little bit and get it wet inside of here. So if it does that, you can, it's okay if it gets wet, but the best thing to do is leave it open. You don't have to zip this up all the way. You can leave it kind of cracked and that will air out and won't get stinky. So if you're going to store your Pro Pack for a long time, a couple things you can do to make sure that it doesn't get stinky inside of there is basically drain all the water out of it, and then you can also open it up and run like a mild soap solution or a mixture of vinegar and water. Swish it around there, run it through the hose in the whole system, and then tip it up and run all the water out of it. That way you don't have to worry about any mildew or anything inside the system itself. Thanks again for purchasing our new RinseKit Pro Pack. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us at RinseKit.com.